digital information at research purposes. So you mean parang of course, many graduates become full librarian and academic information specialist. Kapag pumasok kayo ng BIS, marami ang work opportunity after nyo makagraduate dahil 10% lang ang RL o Registered Librarian sa Pilipinas. Kaya hindi man tayo sa iba't ibang fields. Bukod sa wala na kayong babayarang tuition, kapag nakapasa kayo sa requirements ng BIS Scholar, wala na rin kayong babayarang miscellaneous fee. Kapag nakapag-decide na kayo, you may proceed to the enrollment area.
Ngayon ko lang talaga narinig ang bis na yun. Wait, message. Ito pa naman.
We're BIS majors. Of course, we are globally relevant as we can contribute to information management and access initiatives worldwide.
We're BIS majors. Of course, our work is beyond just book. It means us to be architects and engineers of information, lifelong learners who continuously adapt and grow.
We're BIS major. Of course, we have a diverse career options with the skills of information organization, management, and retrieval in digital age.